guys, as you can see here, I'm trying to grind the bread so that it becomes fine. If you don't have a grinder, you can just cut into small pieces with your hands. But if you have a grinder, it's usually the best thing to do because the bread becomes like inside it becomes
So
like
I
so
make
that's what I'm doing right now. I'm grinding it.
with this
I've grinded
one,
all of it over
and
100
then
grams, and I use it on my meat here, so the whole 100 grams.
this one. Okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's try it.
Okay, as you can see, I'm done grinding the bread, and you can see it's similar. So after that,
So guys, I was dancing earlier.